Hello, and welcome to What is Crypto? I'm Matt, and this is Crypto. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my top 5 AI plays that I think you should have a look at potentially accumulating for this upcoming bull run. I'm going to be giving you a little bit of information about each of these plays and then having a look at the chart and talking about some current entries. I'm not going to be doing a deep dive into what each of these plays are, but I do have videos which I'll link below which do take you to a more in-depth look at some of these projects. Alright, if any of that sounds like it could be for you, then smash that like button, drop a comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to join my Discord, it is 100% free to join. You'll get alpha like this, but just a little bit quicker. So pause the video right now, scroll down just a little bit, click the link in the description, and I'll see you there. Alright. Cheers, legends. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so looking at my first pick, we have none other than Based AI. Now, if you follow this channel, you know that I'm super bullish on Based AI. Now, we've had a decent retracement over the day, and I do think you're currently getting a great entry at a market cap of only 170 million. This one I think is going much higher, with me seeing a valuation in the billions in the upcoming months. Now, it is a little bit too complex of a project to really delve into in a 30-second clip, but just note that in essence, it is an AI layer 1 seeking to be the first AI layer 1 which is kind of being built and worked on by AI itself. So they're programming the AI to continuously program the AI. Currently it's on ETH, but it is going to be bridged over to the base main chain. So keep an eye out for that. This is one creature and what one creature can do, and there's going to be over 1.8 million of them. So have a look at all the different ideas that this creature is creating. You can see that there are just so many different ideas: traffic accident analysis tool, basketball defense strategy simulator, sushi action experience app, honesty app for politicians tracking promises. Like, so many different ideas. Now, one of the ways that Based AI is able to do this is it uses parallel thought. So Based AI is going to be continuously evolving and developing multiple things simultaneously. I talk about this extensively in my last video, so if you haven't watched that, pause this one and go watch my other videos on Based AI. This is one of the projects that I'm super bullish on, and currently I think you're getting a really good entry. If you're in my Discord, I gave an entry in this green box, which we did just wick down to, but as you can see, we are putting in higher lows and higher highs. So you think about it as a little bit of a staircase, and every time we put in a new low, it is currently higher up. So that's what we like to see, and as long as that price holds above this level at about $3.50, then we are in a bullish uptrend. So really bullish on Based AI. Anything under the $6 level I think is a really good entry, and I think long term this one is going to do crazy numbers. So yeah, super exciting project. That's enough about Based AI, but that is my number 1 pick. If I could only buy one, it'd be Based AI. Alrighty, on to my number 2 pick. We've got Hash AI. So Hash AI is in essence using AI to determine the most profitable proof of work cryptos to mine at any given time. So think about proof of work cryptos like Bitcoin, and different computers can mine them for rewards. So Hash AI uses algorithms to determine real time which crypto is the most profitable to mine, and then it diverts all their mining rigs to mine that different cryptocurrency. So really cool concept and something that I am super bullish on. Also backed by a lot of huge names in the space, like Based AI is backed by Kyle Chaussee, Hash AI is backed by Alex Becker, and also Crypto God John. So yeah, market cap of 140 million. I also expect this one to be pushing up into the billions. I think Based AI has a higher ceiling, but Hash AI is definitely one that I am holding, not selling at these levels. Now, looking at the chart in a bit more in depth, if you're really wanting to snipe a good entry, we might be lucky enough to get a pullback to the 13-cent mark. This level makes sense for me to enter here. Once we do break out of this very slight amount of resistance, I think we're going to be punching up over all-time highs and then really heading pretty north quite quickly. So yeah, I do think your chance to accumulate Hash AI is running out. If you're lucky enough to get an accumulation below 0.0013 cents, that's great. Even these prices today though, I think are fairly good. As you can see, AI has been absolutely crushing it. If you want to just have a look at the total mind share, AI coins now have almost 70% of the total mind share. So AI is absolutely dominating, and it's not hard to see why. AI, there is zero comparison with what humans can do compared to AI. So yeah, narrative makes a huge amount of sense, and institutional money I think is going to want to flow into the new tech, and there's no newer tech than AI. Really exciting space, and if you were here right now, you were here in a pretty good time. So yeah, it goes without saying, super bullish on AI, and that's why I'm making this video. These plays I have been in from a lot earlier, but still today, I think you have a chance to accumulate some really hot runners. Alrighty, so those are my top 2 picks. Number 3, a bit of a tie here. So we've got GPU and desync. So desync, I think the upside is maybe not quite as high, although desync is undoubtedly a safer play. Desync currently has a market cap of around 500 million, and it really is Alex Becker and Crypto God Chon's number one pick in AI coins. So yeah, I think this one, if you did just want a safer play, Desync, definitely a good one to accumulate. Can't expect the multiples that you'll likely get from some of the other top three, but I do still think it has quite a lot of legs left in it. Desync is also one of the coins that is most likely to get a Binance listing, and they did just remove their buy and sell tax. So it is super important for coins not to have a buy and sell tax if they want to go after exchange listings. So the fact that they did that is super bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised to see Desync listed on Binance over the next couple of months. When this happens, I think that the above mentioned coins, GPU, Hash AI, and Based AI, are all going to go parabolic. When some AI coins start getting listed on Binance and big exchanges, it's going to have a bit of a cascading effect onto some of the other coins. So yeah, really watch out for this. As soon as you start seeing some, there's going to be a cascade of money that flows into AI. So that's Desync, another AI play, and word on the street is that they are about to release their own AI agents. So yeah, pretty bullish on Desync. I don't own any personally. It's one of the only ones on this list that I don't own. But yeah, do definitely see the potential for Desync at a market cap of 500 million. You're definitely not early, but it still has some room to grow. GPU, on the other hand, I think this one still has quite a lot of gas left in the tank. Now, not only do I love the ticker being GPU, as it's a ticker that people are going to see and then immediately flock to, but it's currently got a market cap of only 170 million. So similarly to Based AI and Hash AI, has a smaller market cap than Desync. Now, this means that it does have the potential to do higher multiples if it goes to similar valuations to the other coins. So yeah, Node AI, focused on AI and decentralization of GPU and computing resources, with you being able to kind of hire out AI with Node AI or GPU, in essence using blockchain technology to decentralize and distribute access to AI and GPU resources. So yeah, you can go on their website and you can rent different GPUs and a bunch of other different things. So I think this narrative will be quite easy for retail to understand. When you think about NVIDIA being one of the biggest companies in the world and NVIDIA manufacture GPUs, then you think about one of the hottest narratives in the world is artificial intelligence as well as cryptocurrency. And when you combine GPUs, artificial intelligence, and crypto, you get Node AI, which has a ticker, which is also GPU. So I do think this one is going to catch a large amount of attention, also backed by Alex Becker, Crypto God John, and a few other big names in the space. So yeah, Node AI is definitely another one I think you should keep an eye on. Now, coming in at number 5 is Tau. Now, it's probably a little bit of disrespect to Tau putting it last on this list, but I've only done that because it has such a big market cap. If you want to have one blue chip and you're not expecting large numbers at all, then Tau is probably that one. It is available on big exchanges such as Binance, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, and it is definitely the Bitcoin of AI. Now, I don't mean that because it has any relationship to Bitcoin at all, completely different projects, but Tau is definitely the most prominent and well-recognized AI project that focuses purely on AI. Once again, Tau's probably too complex a project to explain in a short video, but even just reading the CoinMarketCap about section might give you a little bit of an idea about what Tau is about. So it's an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based machine learning network, focuses on the training of AI models, uses machine learning and large language models. Once again, fairly complex project in AI, but it is well covered. So I'm not going to go too in depth into what Tau actually is. Currently, if you look at the chart, it's kind of been ranging for quite some time in between $670 and $410. So if you can buy close to the bottom of that, that is definitely a preferred entry. If not, what I would personally wait for is a breakout and a retest of this range. What I mean by that is I would wait for something like this, a breakout of the range before retesting it. This is where I'd enter here and then higher. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. So just recapping through the projects, we've got Based AI, currently good entry sitting at about $5. We've got Hash AI. Now, if you did want to try and get a better entry, I don't mind the entry here at about 2013. Also think that both of these projects have a lot more upside. GPU, if you can get an entry closer to the $1.50, that's probably preferred. However, you might not get that as AI is running absolutely hot. Desync, now this one is a bit of an interesting one. We are at all-time highs, so I'd probably wait for a breakout and a retest, bid that retest before continuing on up. And Tau, currently in a range, if you can buy towards the bottom of this, that is preferred. If not, wait for a breakout and buy the retest. Alrighty, that's going to wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what AI projects you're buying, and let me know if I've missed anything or you think there is anything you want me to cover in the future. Also, if you want to join my Discord, it is 100% free to join. So all you need to do is scroll down, click the link in the description, and hopefully I will see you there. Cheers, legends. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.